everyone, it's Brittany here from the Checkfront support team. Today we're going to talk about how you can track referrals. Using Checkfront allows you to collect a lot of great information, and where this information comes from is often from our booking form fields. Now, you can use a booking form field to collect information as to where your bookings are coming from, or in other words, how a customer heard about you, by using a booking form field. And what this will do is allow you to invest the proper resources into those more popular avenues. To get started, you're going to go into Manage Layout, and in here you're going to click the tab Booking Form, and you can scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see this blue Add New Field. Click that, and you have a couple options. You can do a multiple choice radio field, or you can do a drop-down select. I'm going to do a drop-down select for my referral report here. So in here, we're going to call this referral, and we will call this one referral as well. Of course, a lot of these are all visible to staff. The tip will be the instructions. So in here, we want to ask, how did you hear about us? So once that's done, you can go to the options section, and you definitely want to make this a necessary part of the booking so you can require it from customers. Up to you if you want it to show an invoice or not. I'll leave it as is. You can also attach it to the customer profile if you'd like. Now I'm going to leave it unselected, but in here you can add your choices. So for example, of course we have Google here. If you want to say from friends, or family, and just as another example, Instagram. You can add more options just like that. You go to Yelp, and you can also apply it to specific items if you were to want to collect this data only for certain items, but of course we want it for all of them, so I'm going to leave that off. And now once you click Add, you will see how that lines up and how it displays to the customer. So the label could also be different. You could do "How did you hear about us" as the title, and it would be a drop down. So that's how that information would be displayed. And once you actually have bookings that have carried out this question, you'll then be able to collect or take a brief look at all the data in Booking Index, and you'll see, if you go to columns, you can add the referral one. And now it will be a row column here, and you can get a report on it. You can also export into Excel, for example, if you really want to break it down into each type of referral. Okay, so I hope this helps. Of course, feel free to reach us at support@checkfront.com should any other questions come up. Bye for now.